Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, checking in with an update from the neighbor house that we are in the process of renovating so that we can open our garden retreat center. So let's go inside and see the progress. Well, the progress is immediately noticeable. You can see we've got all the pot lights in. The house has been painted. I'm super stoked. I picked out this color. And I think it's a really nice color. Super neutral, it's more blue than gray. I'll have to remember what the name of it was. And we've got a really cool mantle that's going to come in here. A walnut, like raw edge. We've got a new hearth, a big piece of granite that's gonna go there. And in the meantime, we're going to leave the surround and paint the white. But long term, the goal will be to take off that white molding and completely change the surround. But we're having to be budget conscious. Now you can see we killed the floors. There was a lot of water spills, which may be being generous. I think it was mostly animals. Speaking of animals, come on in, Sophia. She is definitely taking ownership of this house. Come on in for the tour. Whenever I walk over here, she walks as well, and then she screams outside. So, but we're planning to have a no pet policy. I think it's going to be really hard to break the Golden Panther's habits because she's pretty much decided this house is hers. So the dining room, not much has changed in here. That obviously isn't going to stay. It's just really nice to have like something to work off of. And what was being done this week, which I haven't seen yet, floors in the bathroom. And oh, you can't see them. They're covered up. Let's check the other bathroom. By the way, ooh, look, they got the shower kind of ready for being tiled. These lights are amazing. Those are those sun tubes. So that's no light at all. That's just the outside light. And then, okay, here we go. You know, when I turn on the light, it's significantly brighter. And of course, we don't have the real light fixtures in yet. Make our way through here. Oh, they're covered up too. Well, you can kind of get the gist. I think it's going to be really pretty. It's starting to look like it's real. And I bet by the time I get back from my conference, he will have gotten all the shower tiled. So it's gonna look great. Well, the floors are scheduled to go in on November 1st, which I think will also make a huge difference. And no word on when the cabinets are actually coming in. It's definitely gonna be the last thing, and it might even be into 2022 before the kitchen actually gets installed. But once the floors are in, then we can kind of deal with, you know, all the minor things like light fixtures, and we can actually start furnishing the rest of the house, regardless of the state of the kitchen. So there's so much to look forward to with this. I am really, really thrilled with the progress. And I think it's going to be a really fun new business venture and a great way to be able to share the garden with people in a really meaningful, relaxing, enjoyable, and educational way. So I look forward to sharing more updates as we make more progress from the Garden Retreat Center, which is right next door to my home foodscape here in Central North Carolina, Zone 7. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.